the part 5 of the tutorial, which we're moving on, showing you how you can create your floor in Revit architecture. So this is just the basic thing. You come here and click on the floor, and the floor pops up. So you can create on the edit. You rename by duplicating, and you click on the edit just to change the thickness. So you click on OK, and you click on OK again. So you can come to the draw here and pick the line. So you create the boundaries of your wall. So from here to here, make sure you are clicking on the box side, because that is just the end point of the line. So you can actually come here and click here also, click here also, click here also, and make sure you are ending it here. That is just how it is been done. So you mark and then you click on no. So I think the floor is not moving well, so we can click on the edit boundary. We click on AL, which is just a shortcut for align. So you click here and you click the line, so you can mark it again and click on no. So that is just how you can create your floor in Revit architecture. And the next thing which you're gonna be creating is just the general floor, which is just the natural ground floor level. So you come to the natural ground floor level and you click on the floor again. So you just create a normal rectangular floor, just like the natural ground floor. So you just draw that and click on the check bag. So that is it. You can just come to the 3D model, 3D rather, so you can actually see how far we've been going. So I want you guys to make sure you are subscribing to the channel, and the next tutorial is just basically on how you guys can import your window and import your door in Revit architecture. So let's get started with the tutorial in the next video.